SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to use cellular data for AirDrop on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Before we get started, it's important to note that both people participating in AirDrop need to be using at least iOS 17.1 for the cellular data feature to work. Additionally, both phones need to have Wi-Fi enabled, and the AirDrop needs to start over Wi-Fi. The use of cellular data only occurs if one person loses their Wi-Fi connection, at which point the cellular data feature is going to kick in and complete the AirDrop. So with that in mind, to enable cellular data for AirDrop, you need to open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose General, and then you can select the AirDrop setting from the top of the General menu. Now you just need to find this Use Cellular Data option under Out of Range, and then tap the button to the right of it to turn it on. So now if one person involved in an AirDrop walks out of range of Wi-Fi, then the cellular data is going to kick in to continue finishing that AirDrop. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.